Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing and also liking this video. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I post a video almost every single day, if not every single day, and I am just a lover of Happy Planner. I'm absolutely obsessed. I've been using the Happy Planner for over 5 years now, and I use nothing else. I'm just totally obsessed with the Happy Planner. So in this video, I'm showing you how I'm decorating in my Undated Teacher Extension pack. So when there are planners that come in that plastic film, they're about $10 if I'm not mistaken at like Joann's or Michael's or Hobby Lobby, wherever you find them. And they don't come with a cover or discs or anything like that. It's just the paper. So then it is totally undated. So I have been wanting to find a teacher planner that is undated like this. And when I found one that was brand new and it had a really cute like divider design, I really wanted to snag it. So it just recently came out with the back to school kind of section, which is where I found it in Michael's. I have not seen it since, so when I saw it, I instantly grabbed it. It matches the Simply Brights, that new sticker book that just came out that has a lot of blues and greens and stuff. So anyways, I have been using this planner to just make really fun layouts. I mean, I've been messing around with how to configure the days of the week. Like I, can date it from the top or the sides or even the right page. I've been messing around with how to make it Saturday and Sunday, like bigger sections, which has been really fun. I have been absolutely loving that. So I have been doing like Monday. So as you can see, I dated with the dates and holidays book with like smaller numbers than I did last time. But I've been doing like 3 sections. So like a to-do section, a social media section, and then chores. So that's pretty much the 3 categories that I would say are in my catch-all, but I'm just kind of separating them since the teacher layout has places where you can do more of a category system, if that makes sense. So I'm using the Empowering Women sticker book, and this has been sticker book for quite some time, many years, and it's a really fun one. I like the colors. I like that they are kind of a mix between pastel and bright, and then there's like really cute quotes, and then of course the flowers as well. So I'm focusing on more of like the blues and a little bit of like the sandy pinks, and I am gonna be showing you how I'm doing that. So as you can see, the Monday through Friday is regular with those 3 sections on the left page, and then on the right page I put Saturday, so it's going to be those top 2 rows for Saturday, and then Sunday are the bottom 2 rows. So then that middle section is where I'm going to start decorating. So just that middle line of those 4 boxes is going to be where I kind of decorate. So if you kind of think about it, it's more of like the sidebar where I, decorate the sidebars. So that's kind of how I'm doing it this week. And again, like I said, I've been messing around with this layout so much, and it's been really fun. I feel like it's helping me to be more creative and like think outside of the box and not just the regular old vertical layout, which I'm not knocking. Trust me, I'm obsessed with the vertical layout. So anyways, like I said, am focusing on the blues mostly. So I pulled out the few blue and green flowers that I have left, and then I put that quote down that I am brave, fearless, bold, and strong. And I thought that was such a cute and beautiful quote, so I put that down. When there's like a big flower like this, I have been known to like always cut them in half and then put them on different sides. So like different lines. So I did that. I put, you know, obviously one in that middle and then one at the top of Saturday. But I'm really excited to do it like this week, like the configuration like this, because it's kind of like having a horizontal, you know, like it's like having a horizontal planner. So I haven't done the horizontal in years, so I'm excited. Also, if you've been following me for any amount of time, I am totally addicted to coffee and always find a way to put a coffee sticker in my planner, no matter what function it is. I mean, even in my social media planner, I somehow put a coffee sticker down and find a way to make that match. All right, so as you saw, the camera started like leaning, which that hasn't happened in a while. So hopefully you forgive me for that, but I fixed it. Anyway, this washi, I get asked sometimes like where I found it. And washi is really tricky for me to be able to remember where I find specific ones, because some of these washis, no joke, I mean, you know, have been doing this Throwback Thursday, flipping through my old planner series here on YouTube, and flipping through old planners. I mean, even my oldest planner that I have has washi in there, and I still have those rolls. So that was from, what, 7 years ago. So I try to do my best to at least give you some ideas of where I found them, but for the most part, I'm not going to remember. And I want to apologize for that, because I don't want to like showcase something for you guys and, you know, kind of like dangle a carrot in front of you and tease you and not be able to, you know, get it yourself. But sometimes that's what happens, you know. So hopefully you forgive me on that. So that is that like perfectly colored teal polka dot washi. I put on the bottom left and then the top right. And then this new washi that I just got on Amazon, which is linked in my Amazon favorites, and that is always in the descriptions of every single video. It came with like 10 or 11 different rolls of different patterned black washis. And this one is like that spotty kind of like leopard black dots. And it's also the same size as that other washi that I used. So I decided to rip it in half and kind of make it more thin. And I really love how that turned out. After I decorated that little middle section on the right page, I then started putting down different boxes and all the different groupings and stuff that I normally like to do. So I had that to-do box in the little section of Tuesday. And then I just put like that black box for the social media column on Wednesday. And with that gap in the middle, I wanted to kind of connect it somehow, because I don't really like when stickers are just floating out of nowhere. I really like to group the stickers together, so that's why I put that circle on there. I also really always love to do various shapes, so I don't want to always do just squares or just rectangles. Like, I really love to mix in circles or even like the heart boxes. If you guys have colorful shapes, that's a really good one, because there's like triangles or diamonds or half circles, stuff like that. This box has like that yellow flower on it, and I'm trying to find like a good sticker to overlap it, and I thought this busy day would work, but it was a little bit too small. So I found another one that worked, but it took me a second. So there, I was able to put that one down, work hard and be nice. I am doing the last finishing touches, but any little area that I felt like, you know, you know, for instance, like this chore column, it seemed pretty empty. So I wanted to put some kind of box or sticker or something. So I thought that little priority sticker was really cute, and then put do this on top of it. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.